How to exit safe mode on PS4. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is restart your PlayStation. Select the Restart PS4 in the Safe Mode menu. By default, your game console should boot into normal mode. If it is not able to boot into normal mode or boot back into safe mode, then further troubleshooting will be needed. Next thing you can do is try changing the resolution. If your game console's screen resolution is set higher than what your TV can handle, it may be preventing your console from displaying an image in normal mode. Select Change Resolution in the Safe Mode menu. Set the screen resolution to 480p and see if you can boot up your game console into normal mode. Next thing you want to do is update the system firmware. Sometimes a software update can fix problems you are experiencing with your game console. Select the Update System Software option on the Safe Mode menu and follow the instructions to download and install the latest firmware updates. Next thing you can do is rebuild your system database. Sometimes essential files on your PS4 hard drive can get corrupted and prevent your system from starting up properly. Select the option Rebuild Database on the Saved Mode menu to repair any broken files on your PS4's internal hard drive. This will not erase any game or save data on your system. Once the process is complete, try rebooting your PlayStation and see if it boots up properly. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.